Hi, so my name's Jenny, and a career I'm interested in is art therapy. So, to start off, the art therapist job description, this is it broken down, so don't get it's a lot, yeah. Basically, they just analyze and synthesize data from different therapy sessions. They determine if that session was effective, and they assess the client's needs using an artistic process, and they communicate the assessments that they have made. They conduct art therapy sessions using guided self-expression experiences. They work with other professionals to integrate treatment plans and just discuss how best to serve the client. They also make custom therapy programs for each client, and that it kind of goes in with the working with other professionals. They also conduct information sharing sessions, whether the client is working with multiple therapists, so that's really helpful. They also coordinate art showcases to display client artwork, and they coordinate field trips, say to like art museums. They review pertinent research such as new art techniques, new therapy, just new therapy types, and they also share artistic media to accomplish therapy session objectives. They design art therapy programs for specific clients. Say, if they're more interested in different types of art mediums, or if there's certain ones that they can only do. They also instruct groups or individuals in art media and kind of teach them how to use the mediums. They interpret artist creations of the clients to tell what their needs are. They establish goals for art therapy sessions with the clients. They observe and document the client reactions and progress, and record the client artwork and progress. They communicate with the clients during therapy sessions. That way they can gauge their reactions and what they're thinking as they're making their artwork. They gather info on their client outside of these sessions so as to make a better therapy session and better programs for them. They also supervise over these sessions, and they teach art therapy techniques and processes to others. So the required education would be a background in human development, psychological and behavioral disorders, counseling theories, therapeutic techniques. The required education level would be a master's degree from an institution that's recognized by the Council for Higher Education Accreditation. They need a strong understanding of visual art and art mediums, because they have to be able to teach it and to really understand how the art works. And this relates to my 4-year plan, because I'm working on getting a custom degree, although I'm still working on the details. I'm doing this with a full-time academic advisor. I want to make sure that this includes all my interests and that I'm getting what I want out of my education. And then, why did I choose psychology? Psychology is very interesting to me, and I think it can be applied to really any situation. I enjoy doing art and creating things, and it would be really hard for me to stop. To have a job that doesn't involve creating, I think, would be very difficult for me. And I think art therapy is a really great mix of the two. My answer, compared to the answers given in Chapter 13, was basically the top answer in Chapter 13, which was I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology, so I'm just very interested in psychology. Part of it is from my own personal experiences with my own mental health and my family's mental health, my friends' mental health, and I just think it's very interesting to see how the brain works and such. Anyways, that's the end. Thank you.